Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI, and we've got an Indigo temperature check. Aggregator swap fee. I thought this was an interesting one from Doc Octafunk. This was about a week ago. Let's take a look at what he's proposing. This is for the Indigo protocol DAO. We go through these temperature checks. I think they do like a poll vote. If it passes the poll vote, then it goes on platform for indie stakers to vote on proposal. And then if passed, it goes into effect. So, hello all. I would like to begin the conversation about adding a fee, to the new DEX aggregator feature that recently launched. There are pros and cons to adding a fee. The feature is great for ease of use and convenience, a one-stop shop for easily seeing price peg difference across all major Cardano DEXs on all iAssets, and currently with no added fees attached. People are encouraged to use the feature. If a fee is added, people might be more inclined to see the swap prices on the Indigo platform and go to that DEX directly to avoid the added fee. I mean, that's what I would do. So I believe we must find a balance. I am in favor of adding a flat fee of 1 ADA to all swaps. Yeesh. This fee could then be distributed to either A, part or all to indie stakers, B, part or all to Indigo Treasury. I also wonder if it's possible to have a fee waived if a person holds stakes indie. I was thinking that in my head. Let's hear the DAO's thoughts on this topic. What would, I guess I would need to see numbers. I'm not totally against a fee, but 1 ADA. So you're in for 5 ADA to do a swap. So like if you're using Sunday swap or min swap, you're paying 2 ADA to batchers, and then 2 ADA is held and returned to you. And then you also have to pay a 1 ADA fee to Indigo to swap using their aggregator. I don't think Muesli Swap does that. If they do, it's like a fraction. If we were to do this, it would have to be a fixed. It would have to be a fixed fee. And that fee I would rather that fee be paid in Indy, and it needs to be microscopic. It would need to be microscopic and adjustable given the price of Indy. I don't think it's truly beneficial to do the fee in ADA. If we're going to do the fee in ADA, I would say just leave it alone. I would say do the fee in Indy and make it a small fee that adds up over a long period of time, goes into, I don't know, some kind of vault or something, and then is paid out quarterly, yearly, something like that. I don't know. I think that would be the way to go. But to just have a just straight up 1 ADA fee, I promise you, I'll use it to show me what has the best price, and then I'll just go to that protocol. I'll just make the extra click, go to that protocol, and make the trade and save an ADA. That's what I would do, especially when the price of ADA starts to climb. Who wants to pay 3 ADA for a trade? I complain about the 2 ADA that I have to pay Sunday swap and min swap. I freaking hate it. And you're going to add another ADA to that. And I think that's a terrible idea. But let's see what people are talking about. Let's see. Let's blow that up. People will just go to the DEX instead. I don't see this as really an improving profits and just makes things more annoying. People still use Muesli Swap Aggregator or the in-wallet swap of Eternal, and they have front-end fees attached. A 1 ADA fee that can be waived if you hold isn't bank breaking. Like, I get it, but at the same time, I'm like, it's not really that much more convenient. Now, in-wallet staking is convenient, especially if you're mobile. That's big. Now, if you offered not only iAssets and you offered all types of assets and it was available on mobile, that would be interesting. I would probably utilize that. True. MultiSwap charges a fee of 1.5 ADA for all swaps. I think introducing a small fee is not a bad idea. 1.5 ADA, that's high, man. I propose 1 ADA fee for non-Indie stakers and a 0.5 ADA fee for Indie holders. Agreed, but it should be 1 ADA flat fee. No need to overcomplicate it any more than it already is. I support 1 ADA fee. It's not much to ask for the convenience provided. I agree, 1 ADA flat fee. Bad idea. Penny pinching at every opportunity is bad publicity. I, for one, only use the internal swaps to support Indigo developing it. If you add a fee, then I'm just not going to bother. Like with Muesli, I just use their aggregator to find the best decks with the best price, and then I just go to the decks directly. Indigo is earning enough through its core product that adding fees for swaps just looks petty. Okay, I like that. I like that comeback. Can I respond? Yeah, I'll respond to this with my 2 cents. I think I don't like the fee thing. I know me personally, I'm not going to use it. I'll use it to see what's got the best price, and then I'll just go there and save the half a ADA or the full ADA, whatever they go with. Also, it is kind of cheap, makes you feel like they're looking to charge you at every turn within the protocol, which I think is kind of cheap. But I think the fee should be a tiny bit of indie. It should be a tiny bit of indie, like dust. It should be paid in indie. The fee should be paid in indie, is what I believe. It should be dust. If you aren't a staker, then the price of 1 ADA in indie, I guess, paid in indie, I think is what should happen. But that's what I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you think. If it's a good idea, if it's a bad idea, and if you do agree with it, do you think it should be 1 ADA, half a ADA? Should it be paid in indie? But I think I'm not against it. I think it just needs to be thought out a little bit more. But yeah, it would definitely benefit the platform, benefit the indie holders. So I think I would support it, but I would like changes down the road if it's not working out. Also would like to see numbers, like how many people are swapping, what's being generated. I'd like to see those details, those statistics, and then kind of go from there. So that's all I've got on this temperature check for the Indigo Protocol DAO. Thank you for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.